So here we have our pieces and our little tiny dolly headband. I'm going to take this, I'm going to use just regular super glue, put a little glob right there and pinch it closed. And then I'm going to take my glue gun that apparently is almost out of glue, whoopsie, and glue a little bit right there just to hold it faster. And yeah, I'm using my fingers. They're completely immune to glue. It doesn't matter at all. So then I'm going to take this one. This super glue is because in high temperatures, hot glue will remelt and come apart. And some vinyls don't sticky very well. So I'm going to glue them like that. My puppy's barking. Put some glue here. I'm going to hold these for a few seconds. Are these done? Oh, well, there you go. Yep, this is a classic me move. Ah! So don't touch that yet. I'm going to try that again. Oh, that was a lot of glue. That was not on purpose. Okay, so now we're going to glue these for a few seconds. Try blowing on it. Surely that'll help, right? So you want to wait until those are done. I'm not going to. Here's my sticky part. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to put this on it. Now, this is backwards. Notice this is backwards. I'm making a video. Sorry, family. So this is the back of my bow because I have my little guy in front. Now, here's my headband. I want to find the front. I'm going to use hot glue on this because it makes it stay faster. That's not the middle. We'll rotate that a little bit. Yeah, that's the middle. And then I want this one to wrap around and this one goes on top. So now I'm going to use my super glue again because, again, I do not want this little guy to come undone when it's hot. And I'll use some on the back. Just so, ooh, that's a good little glob. Oh, don't glue it to your mat. Gosh darn it. All right, that was a fail there. Don't glue it to your mat. Make sure your glue is dry before you use it. And there, oh, is my totally sideways bow. So, you know. All right, so measure better than I did. But there it is. That is how you put your bow together. And then we would slide our, whoopsie, little ears on. They have the opening through the sides. Now, if you are making this into an ornament, this is the dolly version. If you're making this into an ornament, you are going to, before you glue this down, you'll glue your ribbon right through here. So if this hadn't glued down, which I'll just go ahead and peel it up because, you know, I've already made a mess out of this one, then I would put my ribbon, well, that ribbon's attached. I would put my ribbon right through here and then glue it down. That way you can hang it and it's an ornament. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Bye-bye.